All right, number 14 is a little long drawn out one. You actually have to do all the steps to finding the area of the regular polygon. So find the apothem, then the area of the hexagon. So finding we're going to write our answers in radical form. Wow. So first thing we're going to do is draw a right triangle. So bam, draw my apothem right there. And then we're going to find the measure of the angle right here. How do I find that measure? I'm going to use 180 times n minus 2 over n. N is a number of sides. How many sides are there? There's 6. So it's going to be 180 times 6 minus 2 over 6. And this is going to be 120. But remember, that's the whole angle right here. So what do I need to do with this number to find that angle inside? I'm going to divide it by 2. So my angle inside here is actually 60 degrees. Well, if that's 60, what's the measure of this angle up here? That's going to be 30. So I'm going to enlarge my triangle. I don't know why this triangle over here is drawn like this. I'm going to cross that out. And my bigger triangle, so I can see the picture, is going to look like this. 90 is right here, 60 is right there, and 30 is over here. And then which side do I know? They gave me the 8 right here, so I'm going to label this side as 8. And then which side do I want? Remember, we always want the apothem, and we're going to need this bottom one too. So first we're going to we need these two lengths right here. Bam, bam. Now remember, the relationships between a 30, 60, 90 is going to be x across from 30 degrees, 2x across from the 90 degrees, and then x squared roots of 3 across from the 60 degrees. Okay, if 8 equals the 2x side, so 8 equals 2x. If I want to find x, I'm just going to divide both sides by 2. And then look, 4 equals x. So this bottom side is 4. If x equals 4, what's the side over here going to be? The x squared roots of 3. I'm just going to replace that x with 4. So it's going to be 4 square roots of 3. Now I have all the sides that I want. My apothem is 4 square roots of 3, and this bottom side is 4. I have enough information now. Let's fill it in. My apothem is 4 square roots of 3. And I can use this number 4 to find the perimeter. This is only half of a side, so my whole side would be 8. Okay, so let's use the formula then. Area equals 1/2 of the apothem times the perimeter. My apothem is 4 square roots of 3. And my perimeter is going to be 8 times 6 because there's 6 sides. So 8 times 6. That's 48. So we're leaving the answer in radical form, so we're not going to put this radical 3 anywhere. We're just going to do, in our calculator, we're just going to do 1/2 times 4 times 8 times 6. And that will be 96, and then we'll just bring the square root of 3 right there, because we didn't actually put that into the calculator. So there you go. That's just units, and this is units squared. Bam!